Hi Pisces, thank you so much for being here. This is going to be your love and general reading for the month of April 2021 for Sun, Moon and Rising signs of Pisces. Pisces, thank you for your support, your likes and shares. Let's get started and see what is there for my lovely Pisces for the month of April. Now the crystal card you have is Black Tourmaline. It's about smudging and root chakra. So some of my Pisces, you might be going through a lot of negativity, negative people in your life, and you need to remove negativity within your mind and also people around you. So this is a good time to unblock yourself and secure yourself and be protected. And black tourmaline is the best crystal to do that. Carry it with you, hold it, put an intent, because protection is what you need. You also have got hematite here, so it's all about mental strength again and root chakra. So you have to balance your root chakra here. For some, there's a lot of things happening in your life. It could be, a relationship struggle, or for some, it's a court case or something legal is happening for you. And you need to have this mental strength to do that, and hematite is a very good crystal to carry. I do have a hematite here, so that's what it looks like. Even for those who have anemia or have low blood count, you can carry this within you, my lovely Pisces. Now with the Angels card, you got twin flame twice. So some of you are in love or in a relationship with someone um, who is a twin flame, someone equally like you, who thinks like you, who you are very compatible. For some, it's a very strong partnership or a friendship. You might have met someone. For some, this is just a friendship. For the others, this is a good partnership happening here with someone you suddenly meet and they are your twin flame. You got this twice. Now this is beautiful, my lovely Pisces. For those who are going through this or having this, it doesn't resonate for everyone, but please comment, because this is beautiful, Pisces. Now with the Lenormand card, you got the fox and the child here. So be vigilant during this time, because there is a lot of manipulation happening. You can't be innocent like a child. For some, you might be naive, you don't know what's going through, but there's a lot of manipulation. This might be happening in the family for some, or about a child. Someone is manipulating your child here, which is might be custody issues here for some, but someone is manipulating a child here. So be careful of manipulation. You have to be vigilant and take care of this situation, especially if you have a court case or custody issue. Make sure you go through the paperwork and everything. Or for the others, this is you have to be very vigilant and careful, because there's someone manipulating in your life. There's someone manipulative there. Now let's have a look at your cards here. All of these fell, so I'll take these. The Sun in reverse. You got the Nine of Pentacles upright, the Strength, Queen of Pentacles, beautiful, Ace of Wands reverse, and then you got Eight of Wands reverse. Let's take a bit more cards here. You got the Hierophant, and you got the Hermit. And let's take these two. You got the Six of Wands, and you got the Two of Wands. Beautiful, Pisces. So looks like for some, you have to look after your health. Look after your health, take care of your health. There is some happiness coming regarding a child here, but there might be some kind of restriction when it comes to children. If you have custody issues for some, or if you're planning to conceive, there might be certain things that you have to follow to have a child or to conceive. There is some plan need to be made. For some, it's your own health, take care of it. You are happy being single and looking after yourself. For some, you might be not feeling it, and you might be wanting to be by yourself, taking charge and be independent again. You also might be dealing with the Leo here, or you will have the strength to overcome all your difficulties during this time. Some of you might have a health issue or some kind of struggle in life with family or children, but you will have the strength to pull off, my lovely Pisces. You will be financially stable. There might be someone, a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn person, male or female, helping you. This could be a parent figure or someone in higher authority. Someone is helping you. With the Ace of Wands reverse, there are things that might be not completely resolving during the month of March. It might extend for a few months more because you want some new beginning or new changes, and it's not happening yet because there might be lack of communication with the person. This could be a love interest as well. If it is, you're dealing with the earth sign, a Leo, so Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. If it is a fire signs, they are not in favor of you at the moment. They might be busy with their own career. So Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, you might be waiting to hear from them. There might be a delay in communication. For those who are dealing with the legal matter or waiting for a marriage, there might be something that you need to go. You might be in a rush, but there is a victory, so you will achieve that. There might be some announcement. If it is a legal matter, it might be slow for some, but you know, you will get there. You will find some victory is coming, some satisfaction is coming here, or something is working in your favor, and you are taking plans and you are making that move. There are some plans you're making, but it will take time to work because the Ace of Wands is reversed. So be patient, Pisces, but it looks like there is something here is going to work in your favor, and there is some victory. For some, it's a relationship. For some, it is some kind of legal matter. For some, it's health. So please resonate with you however it works. But there is some kind of victory coming for my lovely Pisces. Let's see some of the romance oracle card. What is for relationship? For some, there is some separation going on. And keep an open mind and express your love. So for those who are separated from a partner, this could be a distance for some, or for some it is a legal case, and you might be someone is interested in you who might be different to you, but it says give them a chance because you know, it can work in your favor, and express interest or express your love for those who are in a relationship. They need to know how you feel, Pisces. Let's get some personality card here. That's too many. I'll put that and take a few more. It's again too many cards. So this fell unrequited love here. So you might feel that someone is not in favor of you. This could be your ex or someone in a relationship who are separated. You might feel they don't love you, but there's a new beginning. That's why you have this twin flame. So suddenly you might meet, or you might have already met someone in a friendship level, or someone that you are very compatible, Pisces. So something good is coming because there is a new beginning here in love for some of my Pisces here. And anxious, don't be anxious during this time. I know some of the things are going on in this card. Looks like it makes you anxious, but try to relax because it will work in your favor. There is victory and there is a happy person. So you might be dealing with a happy person, or you might be happy yourself. So, you know, things will work in your favor, my lovely Pisces. Let's see one more card. Take one. Wrong relationship. For those who are in this unrequited love, it is a wrong relationship. But guess what? There is a twin flame coming here, and there is a new beginning in love. So suddenly some of you might have already met, or there is someone coming from a lovely Pisces. So that's a good reading, Pisces. Let's see what is your answers, or what you need to do now. Let's see. So the first card is, what do you desire? So Pisces, this is time for you to go within and think what you really want and desire, because once you put and manifest, it will come. Your dreams will come to reality. So you need to really go there and, you know, find out, or you have to know what you really want. So once you put your desires and manifest, it will work. Energy work, this is about healing. You might have gone through a lot. You might be healing yourself during this time, and things will work in your favor, but you need to heal. You might be feeling alone, or things that you're dealing alone at this point in time. You might feel that you're betrayed, or there are a lot of negative people around you. That's why you need to, you know, smudge yourself and remove the negativity from negative people, and have that mental strength and the ability to function. So some of you are feeling alone during this time. You can get help. There is something that you're worried whether you're going to win or lose. For some, it's a relationship. For the others, it could be a legal matter, or something that you're waiting for, and you're feeling alone. You're not able to discuss this. Some of you feel trapped, and also some of you need to forgive. There is an opportunity to forgive. There are some people in your life are trying to help you, so you need to forgive them. So Pisces, there is an opportunity to forgive. There's something unlikely, so you need to rethink to establish or manifest something. So you need to go there and review yourself. You might be feeling helpless and hopeless with certain situation. This could be regarding children for some, or a relationship, or a life-changing matter here. You're feeling very alone. I can see this Pisces, and worried whether you're going to win. Ask the angels for help, because angels are waiting for you to help you, and you need to lead and take the lead now and look into the matter to resolve a problem. Because if you are relying on somebody and wrong people, with the fox, with the Lenormand card, don't rely on others, because they might be deceptive. And if you believe that things will be all right and manifest, it can work in your favor, my lovely Pisces. It is regarding a child in this matter for some, because I have child twice with the Lenormand card and also with this card. So definitely there is a child involved for some. It could be regarding a child for some as well, that you're waiting to manifest. Within the next few months, you will find more solutions. So it's going to take its own time to settle with things. For those who have legal custody issues, or waiting to conceive, or for some you want to adopt a child, everything is going to take some time. And moving on, at this point in time, it says just move on with things, keep going, with your daily life here. And life purpose, know what you really want, Pisces, during this time. That's very important. And this is not the right time, because I see a lot of manipulation. You're with the wrong people, and lots of things happening. But be patient, because with the mental strength and using your own energy and decluttering the negativity, it can happen. Look at it. There is a big happy change, Pisces. At the end of the all this, you will see the light at the end of the tunnel, and good things are coming. So you will find, because with the Six of Wands and this, after a big struggle, there is a victory, there is a blessing. So it is coming, but you have to be a bit more patient here, and believe in things, because you got the Six of Wands, the big happy changes. So everything will work in your favor. You just need a bit of more time. Please comment, Pisces. Take care. Bye for now.